Good day, friends. We still want to continue our class on work, energy and power, but in this class we want to move ahead from the previous videos I have made. We have this question on the board. This is a past question. A machine of efficiency 80% is used to raise a body of mass 75 kilograms, that's the mass, through a vertical height of 3 meters in 30 seconds. Calculate the power input. So we have solution. Let's see the parameters given in the question. We are given efficiency. This is the symbol for efficiency at 80%. That's the mass is mass 5 kilograms. That mass is 75 kilograms. Through a vertical height of 3 meters. Height 3 meters. I'll give it time 30 seconds. To calculate the power input, we know that power efficiency, which is this, is power output over power input times 100%. So let's calculate our power output. Power output, P naught. That in the question we are giving in terms of potential energy, that energy expended over time taken, as mgh over time. And that will give us, our mass is 75, our g is taken to be 10, our height is given to be 3 meters over our time 30. So if we do this very well, we have 3 in 30, 10. 10 cancel 10. So we are left with 75 watts. That's the power output. So let's substitute the power output in the question in this formula here. So we have efficiency, which is 80%, because our power output is 75. Power input, that's what they asked us to calculate, times 100. So if we do this very well, we have 80 equals to 75 times 100 at 7,500 over power input. So if we cross multiply very well, we have 80 times power input. If we cross multiply, we have 80 times power input times 7,500. So power input will give us, we divide both sides by 80. So that will give us 80 times power input over 80, 7,500 over 80. So 80 cancel 80. Our power input, let's do it here. Our power input is 0 cancel 0. 8 in 7 is impossible. 8 in 75, that's 8 times 9, 72. Remainder 3. 8 in 30, that's 8 times 3, 24. 8 times 4, 32. That's 8 times 3, 24. Remainder 6, that's 0.8. 8 in that's 8 in 60. That's 8 times 7. That's 56. And we'll go like that. 8 times 7 is 56. That's what I have here is and we'll go like that. 8 in 40. That's 5. The power input now is 93.75 watts. I hope you have gained something today. See you in my next video. Bye.